Spying on success, competitive intelligence. The nature of spying.
The Mad magazine best described the nature of spying with their series of spy vs. spy cartoons. In that comic strip, two identical and anonymous spies comically plotting against each other with absolute impunity. Their only distinguishable difference was the color of their ink.
The nature of spying.
And like many of us, they were both the investigator and the source of someone else's investigation. The word spy is a loaded term. One can't call another person a spy without projecting a lot of judgment on that individual.
Too many, the ethics of competitive intelligence are dependent on who or what is being spied on. Many, myself included, considered monitoring a corporation or governmental entity a responsibility of being a citizen of society. Too many power dynamics justify monitoring powerful entities that have influence over economies or politics. In contrast, spying on individuals is perceived as an invasion of individual privacy. I'm spying for success. I'm spying on success.